Hello students. Today we'll discuss another important topic, that is cell cycle, cell division and structure of chromosome. So let's start with the first topic, that is cell cycle. First we'll talk about the definition of cell cycle. The cyclic events that occurs in the cell which lead to the cell division and synthesis and growth of DNA, RNA and proteins. So simply in the cell cycle what happens, the first cell divides and then this RNA, DNA and proteins are synthesis in this cell cycle. We classified the cell cycle into two main major phases. Cell cycle divides into two main phases, that is interphase and mitotic phase. This interphase is also known as resting phase. This mitotic phase is also known as division phase. We'll discuss this division phase in the next video. Now we are moving to the next part, that is interphase. Interphase is further divided into three phases: G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Now what is G1, S and G2? Let's discuss. G1 phase is known as growth 1 phase. S phase is known as synthesis phase. Last, G2 phase is also known as growth 2 phase. Let's see what happens in these phases. In the growth 1 phase, synthesis of RNA and protein occurs. Means in growth 1 phase what happens, RNA and protein are synthesized. In S phase only DNA synthesis occurs. Last, in G2 phase, if any RNA and protein is not synthesized in the G1 phase, so that synthesis occurs in G2 phase. So this is about the interphase, the resting phase, in which three phases are there: G1, S and G2 phase. G1 phase is known as growth 1 phase, S phase is known as synthesis phase and G2 phase is known as growth 2 phase. What happens in these phases? Synthesis of RNA and protein occurs in the G1 phase. In S phase only DNA synthesis occurs, and last G2 phase only remaining RNA and protein synthesized in this G2 phase. In the next video, we'll discuss about the mitotic phase, that is division phase. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.